Sometimes, guys, you're simply too happy a person. Sometimes you're simply too potent a person. You're simply too big a person. You're simply too calm a person. And you need to understand what the essence is that you sort of represent or remind people of. The reason why you scare people more than you think. And people act strangely towards you. Right? This applies to certain people, but when I'm talking to you, you'll know it's you. The reason why you scare people more than you think is there is a characteristic of simple happiness that can shake your environment simply because you are massively happier than the people around you. You want to talk more. You speak louder. You're a bit disruptive. So understand that the proportion with which you are happier than people in your environment can actually you might find that people want to crucify you because you're sort of shaking them up in a particular way. It's too much altitude. You can be too happy for your environment. You could be too calm for your environment. You could say something that is so calming that people notice you as an anomaly. And the phenomenon will repeat because you're an anomaly. This makes you an alien. This makes you different, and the natural tendency of a human being is, when something is different, to attack it. Jesus was crucified and it was not a mistake. Yeah? Understand. Being different actually somehow, it's going to get you attacked. It's going to get you in harm's way. And you shouldn't change. You shouldn't change. You know? At some point you're going to find another elite. You're going to find another person who is above other people in the same way. And then you can form a team. But understand that everyone else is not your team. Albert Einstein cannot form a team with a normal human being because his IQ is too damn high. He's too different. He's got to be an outcast, because how could he ever talk to you, really? How could he ever talk to you, really? Is he going to start talking E equals MC squared with you? Being a normal person from, trying not to specify, what's a random country? Okay, being a normal citizen from Oklahoma. He's not going to be able to. But it doesn't mean that he's special, he's above, his quality that makes him distinct loses its value. It doesn't mean that he should change that. Yeah? But he should have a concept of his difference, right? And why a person would maybe want to attack him. You see, the word nerd and geek and these concepts, right, especially the way they portray them in a movie, perhaps, where you'll have a bully who bullies a geek or a nerd or something, like a heightened IQ, some kind of oddity. The natural reflex of humanity is to either dissect an oddity or cast away an oddity, but never to embrace the oddity. So you need to understand that you might just be happy enough that you're weird. You might just be calm enough that you're weird. You might just be confident enough that you're weird. You might just be smart enough that you're weird. And an understanding that this will shift the environment will make you able to ride the wave properly. But if you do not know that you are causing waves, that waves are coming, you will lose balance. If you do not know that when you walk into the room it disrupts the people around you, you will lose balance, right? And you won't maybe be able to process, to respond, to talk shit back to. Like a person who wants to disrupt you because, you know, their mate guarding their mate, or they're wanting to be the main character, and you're just sapping their aura just from being simply too damn alive. You can be too damn alive, and then people don't. You can't be. But what I'm telling you to do is continue to be more alive than everyone. Continue to be more happy than everyone. Continue to be more calm than everyone. Continue to be more intelligent than everyone. But you need to add in to be to be aware, to be aware, and defend yourself. Don't let someone dissect you. Don't let someone sort of make you feel any less special than you are. You know what I'm talking about. It's only going to get worse from here. You're only going to become a bit more outcast, more disturbed, more worse things are going to happen because you're only going to get better. So this awareness will save you worry. Don't worry about it. The stuff is happening to you because you're good. Wait until you can find another good person. Don't stop.